Welcome to AQ Wiring Systems Plattsburgh, one of the 42 subsidiaries of the AQ Group based in Sweden. We dispose of 2 manufacturing sites in North America, AQ Wiring Systems Canada and Plattsburgh, New York. We are connectivity specialists, and our craftsmen proudly manufacture and assemble custom and complex electrical harnesses and electromechanical cabinets for our most demanding customers. We've served our customers in the ground transportation, electrical vehicle segment, military, industrial, medical, telecommunications, and specialized technology. Our fully automated Megomat cutting equipment enables us to achieve the level of quality you need. Our management team always makes itself available to help our employees achieve their own goals in order to better serve our customers. During the prototype manufacturing stage, our very competent engineering team will help by suggesting improvements or corrections. We provide production documents to our staff that reflect the quality and precision of your design. Being ISO 9000-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certified, our manufacturing processes respects the highest standards to achieve an impeccable quality. We manufacture custom and complex products, from very simple electrical harnesses to some very complex that have more than 500 cables each, as well as a wide variety of electromechanical enclosures. With its great flexibility and reliability, AQ Wiring Systems will always supply you with the product of the highest quality. Being part of the AQ Group allows us to have access to an international exposure, access to a bigger purchase bargaining power, to an easier accessibility to some rare components and wires, and of course, access to some of the world's best cost-to-quality ratio manufacturers. AQ Wiring Systems is more than expertise. It's the strength of a group to better serve you.